Hello everyone, welcome to DevMaze, the ultimate destination for anyone who wants to unleash their potential on programming. Today I'm excited to announce the launch of our new course on web development, which you can find in our playlists. But first, let's take a moment to introduce myself and my channel. So, I am a computer science student passionate about sharing my knowledge and expertise with you. I will cover a wide range of topics from the basics of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to more advanced concepts. At DevMaze, I believe that coding should be fun, easy, and accessible to everyone, no matter their skill, level, or background. And now I am thrilled to announce the launch of my new web development course. This course is designed to take you from beginner to advanced levels with easy to follow tutorials and exercises that will help you learn the basics of website development adequately to gain the mentality of the programmer or developer that you will need. So, if you're ready to take your coding skills to the next level, or if you are a beginner and want to learn about programming for the first time, join us at DevMaze. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss up an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.